Mama wakwaba, wafreme ajoa searching mesrel na wa subscribe to my channel. Me notification bell no so for more news.
What kind of double standards are we giving this one to fool around like this? Or no consistency to watch and for I don't go back to the idea or Kiko Mukwasi Assem was so a fiat to a snagger. Emuna was in a Japudia, one of the one year. One can send the money as our former. One can say fiat to a snagger, mano, or a tabi. And Omuni Papa. None the man of the call no Kennedy no. We are not going to treat him with kid gloves. I don't care if they kill me. But we are not going to treat him with kid gloves no more.
Nobody's going to kill you.
Come with fire, we meet you with fire. Who know Bia and Ubehu, Mismehu, Biasio, Biabehu. What kind of nonsense is that? Don't come and show this man. Oh. Papa, we know I've taught in some Roma no condom and I'm a shed the canal and say condom be the kind of raw. Also, no, I will say, you're raw and I'm grown there. If you're raw. Such a dishonest person. Who you say MP before we have them, and you kept quiet and collected all the contracts. After 2021, you are not getting a major contract in this idea. Who will go about? Yeah, plan is a very them not going to be you are not plan of the master plan about it to say a special prosecutor who pay one more movie Abdemu Kennedy no more Frank Kennedy Japan when moment there one more we have them my MP before the Abano Kennedy knows all of them. Me ya de sabi murder me no eto so na me gina ha e defend. Na me gina ha defend na NDC for dimatem na people for the dimatem. Oh, Kennedy no any papa. Oh, sorry, I would defend Kennedy. Kennedy on any papa. And now the Amina Mabaya Bronson Post Macano Cratch no. Miss Wonyanya me. What do you see about the Shiano? What do you jabba the Jiabeshiano because Wanya Kron Kennedy, you are not holy. You are not the same.
Moyesa said your party no Griguana Mugunu no. And Crawford Brahma Party no. Namuguno no. And as I read now, Tadri, Yatini
don't in the name of God. What is that? Who's free Yakoto? Akojina campaign and so I can say when we near Obegu Party.
There be so no so percent.
What is Alan Kokan be say Obegu Party say when ya?
Watching a homeboko.
What the end of the aspirant can say ya you are no permanent or dear or say Obegu Party no. The only person I want now one year end this for campaign among my wine. One or Jirawa, I wanted the next time walking in Nano, Sabi, or do you go party name Tiase, Obegu Party no. Aspirant Yako and I want to cast the party to opposition. Papa Kumami, why? It is a and then this idea who have them. Yeguna, and then this idea who have them. Now, Don, I promise you, mark today's date down. MPP, good da. Now, Don, say your co-positioner, and you're not at your co-position. Systematically, Ghana no, program whether development or no development, they want 8 years. Because we say on no bush baby, now we be sort about national development. But say national development, the record of His Excellency and not deliver with people, beat anyone in the Fourth Republic. I will defend it anything.
Just same way, Minya.
I will defend it any day.
Kobe
or mention of certain things. He made mention of say see the say a bra bond near the don me bond the jumano me no me enu na aye no platform so obi se kai rai don bond before na ebe de time na abroad starting here kra NDC for say go for me ka say oba from sika sometimes na we no kra pass we no pass you no 83% subscription. One more car, one more phone, sick and your bond, one more peneno. Last year, no, this year, in June. into the entire first batch for the car. It's Mr. Kennedy said, born the knee bend and the sick eye 2022 Yaluswaba. Now Yaluswaba will be petting. Will be petting. Will more be able to opposition now no press local. Kennedy, why ready say Ubeko position now? Corner got no position. I mean, I'm saying that I send a crowd would enough for MP Abelus. I bet. I bear my uncle for we next time.
Age, fellas, I said, when how can you say?
My sister Kennedy, the boy, a Bama or Lusu, where we are. Where on saying or back off for MP or I send off for say we. I think Central or Belu support all.
Obia Troa, Kobe Obrimpon, now can be comments to see about I mean, Kaiway did say or say. Kobe Obrimpon Ajako was say this fella's guy have personal hatred for Ken for President 2024. Oh, maybe I shall win that. Was it? Was all hatred? Oh no, Ken. Now Busao says so. When Kennedy wins, what will be your message? Kennedy winning. All right.
Okay. First and foremost, Kennedy will not win. And if Kennedy wins, we are going to opposition. So there is no need for us to campaign. Because he has said he wants to lead this party to opposition. So we shall help him for his dream to come true. He wants to go to opposition. Why are people angry when we say we will help him to go to opposition? Don, my business question be where he know. Me say, as Madam TSC and Twaba Momun, and I want to go to now in the party to go opposition, say I need your part.
Felix.
Usuru.
Me carry. Would see we? But I'm saying we are sana. Anyway, we say yeah. When I saw enche na ye be phone lines no na afi or more friend or WhatsApp. It's number now be friend no 0207250885. Yeah, now the Ghana code naka hona. BBI come on. What's my friend? I was watching wadring. Mr. Obama me ni atep. Yeah, na ya kanya adring ni ko. Na question na you di busa last one they say. Enka we nka ye cool chop for NPP na ka ye bia ye kama adenti na Monfa Kennedy edom eni ba umi adom ni na enka mu na nka bibia anye kama na nka owura Kennedy eni Dr. Baumi atanase esi nkunya ka se oh menua ye mu baako eni president baako enye vice na fe ye fa nkopere kunya kese ye no. What do you think about that? Won't that help the NPP break the 8? Na de mu ye atokotokwa idea. Don't you think say 2024 you have lost the election in advance?
Don, first and foremost, a person who believes that he has lost an election doesn't fit to be a vice president. So we don't even want to sit down with him. But let me give you the genesis of it. Don, say we are okay. Party in Penny 4 almost can be a BEM. In Fitiasie, they tried to pair Alan with Doctor. And Alan said, oh no, na Doctor War Bank of Ghana no. Na ono kwa. Doctor in the bag. Until you remember you be or no in the bag and advice. This is what Alan said. And this is true. Mo be and young because they are making it true. When it comes to Honorable Kennedy, initially he was ready to even be the campaign manager for Baumia. Until that skirmishes with the president came in and he decided to contest, which is fine. He has the right, the money, everything. He's a good standing member of the party. He can run for it anyhow he wants. Then we saw say your president north one usually no vice near befa or south. And the simple saying yes, Santimam you bet me a vice here. Kennedy, you fit to be that. So initially there were talks in the pipeline say Uncle Mumi and no then and partner up.